Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new to my channel, I am a professional day trader and a professional swing trader. Okay, I day trade the charts and I look at different patterns on the chart so I can take advantage of this market. Okay, if you want to learn more about price action, how to just only look at the charts and make money from that, definitely hit that subscribe button. This is what I do Monday through Friday. I day trade the financial market and I swing trade the crypto market. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more. Doing this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you want to, actually, if you're watching a replay, if you want to speed up time, you can actually hit the speed button 1.5 or 2, and you can actually make the video faster. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. I did a live stream earlier, so most likely I'm gonna try to make this a quick live stream. We'll see. But today we had this big dump, and it looks like it's trying to hit this trend line and this trend line and this what do you call that, this support area right here. So I know a lot of people think that we're gonna have probably a green day tomorrow, but most likely we probably will continue to sell. There's no guarantee, but most likely we will continue to sell to go to 68. You know, it's like they are in a rush to drop down to this level. So this is the next support level right here, 68, 67. So we'll see what's going on when Bitcoin hits that level. But overall, guys, the market is weak. You know, it's devastating. I know a lot of people are mad. I know a lot of people are just shaking their heads and don't understand what's going on. I'm quite sure they're tired of this. They're tired of the ups and downs. You know, if you're tired of the ups and downs, then you definitely need to watch my channel, because I will, help you understand how the market works and what's really going on. Most YouTubers don't understand. They just want to, push ICOs on you and get a whole bunch of viewers just by saying things are going to the moon. But if you want a guy that's basically doing this full time to tell you what's going on, then definitely hit that subscribe button. I know it's been a roller coaster this year for you guys that's new to this crypto world. It just has been, a crazy roller coaster. I know a lot of people they want to give up, but you don't have to give up. You can actually make money right now in this current market by playing the swings. That's what me and my students are doing. We are playing the swings, and you can do that, because if you're not playing the swings this year, then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. This market this year is not for people that want to buy and hold. This is not a buy and hold market. It's a swing market this year. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see who's in the building. What's going on, Dom? Dom, did you get the link to the Discord room, Dom? What's going on, Travis, Indranil, Left Lane, Crypto Inspo? Who else? Nada. What's going on? Glenn. Nada. I don't believe I saw you in my chat room before, but I'm guessing that you're definitely not new. What's going on, Ty? You said you just got here. Yeah, I just started this stream. Shout out to Cedric. Shout out to Mr. 66. What's going on? What's going on, Jay? All right, Ching, yes. JJ26, what's going on? Keith, what's going on? Did you email me? If so, when? No, Dom, I didn't email you. I tell people to email me just to show me proof that you bought the course. That's why I didn't email anybody. Okay. What's going on, Kelly? All right. So, Ty said 4K or 20K. You know, 4K is closer, right? 4K is closer, so I'm gonna have to go with 4K. It's closer. We in the bear market. Sellers came in, so I'm gonna have to go with 4K. Okay. The bulls, every time they come in, they get knocked down by the sellers. So that's where I'm at right now when it comes to Bitcoin. No buyers want to really come in. No real buyers really want to come in the market yet. So you just gotta be prepared for anything. You gotta be prepared for anything. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you are new, let me know. If you have any questions. But let me give everybody a round of applause for coming through. Shout out to everybody. Let me give everybody a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see if I see any questions. Dom said, I started laughing like an idiot when I went on my phone and I saw the charts. Too bad I was chilling on the beach. So congrats to everybody that shorted. Shout out to Dom. What news with ICE? What news with ICE? Nada. What news with ICE are you talking about? Let me know, Nada. What's going on, everybody? I'm reading these questions. Let me see if I see anything here. I'm reading these questions. Gold forecast 2020, calling running in August. I'm not seeing it in the chat. You said gold forecast 2020, call it for a run-in. You said gold. Are you asking me gold is going to 2020? I don't know what you're talking about, say. Hey, what's going on, Randy? Oh, so yeah. Oh, you said it's a YouTube channel. You said calling for a run in August. Well, first of all, this is why I told you guys in my last stream. Okay, I told you guys in my last stream. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. And also let me know what are you talking about with ICE. Let me know, Nada. But shout out to everybody that's on my live stream right now. My last live, I said that these YouTubers, you know, you have to be careful who you trust in this YouTube world. Okay, if your favorite YouTuber is not making money in this current market, then you might have to just not take that person's word, and just, if you just want to, go on a YouTube channel just to look for some news or something like that, you can do that. But other than that, when it comes to money, making money, you shouldn't trust that person at all, because the people that are not making money in this current market right now, those people don't understand how the market works. So let me see. Crypto Inspo said the only YouTube channel keeping it real, unsubscribing to a lot of these garbage. Yeah, exactly. So, if your favorite YouTuber is telling you that Bitcoin is going to the moon, we're going to 50K, be patient, hold on, buy the dips, most likely that person doesn't know anything about the markets. So be careful when it comes to listening. Be careful. When you listen to that, to these guys, because they don't really know what they're talking about. So I guess Nada left the building because I asked him a question. But anyway, so shout out to you guys. Dom said Bitcoin is going to 3K. I hear you, man. I hear you. Yeah, so guys, like I said, overall, it's a bear market. It always been a bear market ever since January. In March, for me, in March, it really confirmed that we was in a bear market when we hit this trend line right here. I told you guys that, most likely we will hit these lows right here. It doesn't look good when the sellers came in. And that's what, that's what it's been. It's just been a bear market since this whole year. I told you guys that a bear market doesn't just reverse just like that. It takes time for it to reverse. I told you that anything that looks too obvious in the bear market, it's a 98% chance it will fail. Okay, 98% chance it would fail, because a bear market is there for a reason. It's there to take your money, and they are there to trick you and make you believe that the market will continue to go up, so you can buy in and so you can take your money. Okay, so most people was calling when the market was going down. Most people were calling this the reversal right here, because they said this is a nice V bottom, guys. We're going to the moon. Okay, they said this is a V bottom, guys. We are going to the moon. And then it came down here. They said, guys, this is a double top. This is it. This is the bottom, guys. This is the bottom, right? And then when it starts to drop like this, they call in every little pullback a triple bottom. Okay, they call this a triple bottom. They call this a triple bottom. This a triple bottom. This is triple bottom. Okay. Now, all of a sudden, we had this inverse head and shoulders. We had this inverse head and shoulders. They calling this the bottom. So every little pop is the bottom. Is the, in a bear market, it's very, very, very hard to time the bottom. That's why I don't try to time the bottom. It's a waste of time. So when you have these newbies thinking that they can time the bottom and thinking that this is the bottom, that's how you know this is not the bottom. The bottom is not that obvious. The same way it's not that obvious when we in the bull market. Okay, when we're in the bull market, it's very hard to time the top. Okay, it's very hard to time the top. So it's the opposite when it comes to a bear market. It's very hard to time the bottom. This is too obvious for a bottom right here. Okay. Are you talking about that Starbucks? Are you talking about that Starbucks thing? Nada. Yeah, so that Starbucks thing, Nada. Shout out to you. I was reading this. Come to find out that Starbucks thing is not really what it is. Okay, this is why you can't really listen to the news. Okay, I heard that Starbucks thing is not really legit. It says sorry, but Starbucks will not be accepting. You know, and I will put the link. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so you guys could read this. But it's not what you really think. Okay, Starbucks is not accepting Bitcoin. CNBC, you know, CNBC's that channel is we all know that channel they be lying so much. CNBC ran a headline with new Starbucks partnership with Microsoft allow customers to pay, but basically what it is Starbucks spokesperson wrote in an email at the current time, you know, pretty much Starbucks is going to play a role. Okay, they're going to consult and develop applications for this purpose, but they're not looking to take Bitcoin. So according to Starbucks spokesperson, you know, Starbucks doesn't want Bitcoins. They don't want Bitcoins. So that's why you can't really listen to the news. If you didn't see my last live stream, that's a must. My last live stream will basically tell you how things are run. So let me see. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see. And it's funny, like I said the other day, some guy called this a bull market, okay? Guys like that, you shouldn't be listening to when it comes to how to make money. What's going on, Jade? You said you've been learning a lot. Thanks a lot, man. Let me see if I'm seeing trying to see questions. JJ said is matching up with previous support. Yeah, I mean, this right here, the 68 is the next level right now for support. 68 is next level. We definitely have a trend line right here. So buyers might come around this area. So we'll see. Let me see. I'm reading these questions right now. Let me see what's going on. Hey, what's going on, Randy? What's going on, Leslie Savage? You said, I guess I mostly meant that the ICE company back was going to be a new physical settle Bitcoin futures. Honestly, you know, I can't take anything serious until I see what's going on. I can't take, you know, like just look at my last look at my last live stream, and you will see how I feel about news. I don't trust news at all. Okay, I don't trust news. I understand how it works. So I'm sorry, I just can't get excited off of news. All right, Jay. So see you later. What's going on, Kelly? Kelly said 4 or 20K. 4,000 is much closer. So, you know, 4,000 to me seems doable versus 20K because the trend is down. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Crypto Inspo said, remember, use proper margin when trading. Set a proper stop loss if you're trading with large liquidity. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. That's definitely some good advice. Leslie Savage said, I told my friend that ETH was pretty much trash and it may go to zero. He didn't like that. Why take it personal? Oh man. So yeah, guys. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot. Should we sell now and wait for that 4K dip? Blake, are you new to my channel? Blake, are you new to the channel, Blake? Let me know. So yes, guys, the charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. Basically, the charts has all the information that you will need. You don't need to read the charts. I mean, you don't need to read the news. If you want to peek at the news here and there, that's, you know, you can do that if you want. But don't get too excited when you see new, you know, developments and new projects coming through, because those projects doesn't mean anything, okay? An ETF doesn't mean anything, okay? Let's be professionals. Let the other guys in the crypto world, let those guys be let those guys be rookies, okay? Let us be professionals, and let us not get too excited so we won't get our heart broken, because overall most people are feeling it right now, because BTC is breaking a lot of hearts right now. Okay, it's going up. It's playing with your emotions. It's going up, slamming right back down, going up, slamming right back down, going up, slamming right back down. So let's not get too excited. You know, let's take it day by day. You know, don't get excited just because you saw something on the news. Okay, we know what the news is. You know, the news is just there, but the charts will tell you everything. This whole up move was based on a lot of good news, right? So if I was a person that just looked at the news, I would never took this short right here and made money. I would never took this short and made money right here, okay? If I was just a person that just looked at the news and think this is going to the moon, just because I'm looking at news. I don't care what the news say. I just follow the charts. The chart told me that, guys, we are at a resistance level, okay, a key level. The market is in a bear market. I'm only looking for shorts, okay? I see a lot of YouTubers, smart guys too. I know they smart. They was looking for the market to go all the way up to 10K or 9K. So they thought that this breakout right here was going to shoot up to 10K. You know, that could have been a possibility, but at the same time, me personally, I don't like to take that type of risk when it comes to a bear market. I understand that sellers could come in at any moment and dump on you. So that's what happened right here at that level. Sellers came in, I took the short, and boom. And not only that, my students are making money too. Okay, so definitely, if you want to learn how to read these charts, definitely subscribe to the channel, because right now, this year, the best thing to do this year, in my opinion, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. The best thing, in my opinion, is to play these swings. Okay, the best thing is to play these swings right here. That's stable money right here. Stable money right here. It's not buy and hold or buy these dips. So Blake is new to the channel. Welcome, Blake. Let me give you a round of applause. Shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you are new to my channel, definitely hit me up with a question. I've been doing this for 11 years, so hit me up with a question. Shout out to Blake. Thanks for coming through, Blake. So Blake, you said, should I sell now and wait for the 4K dip? Well, first of all, you know, I can't give nobody financial advice. That's number one. Okay. Number two, in my opinion, if I was, what I would do, basically, I wouldn't be selling, or if I had Bitcoin, I would, it all depends, like I said, because most people ask me, Ben, should I sell? What should I do? Blah, blah, blah. Like I said before, I can't give nobody financial advice. You know, if it was me and I don't have no more money, let's say I don't have no more money, I would sell at least 50% or 80% of my portfolio and start playing these swings, because you will generate more money playing these swings versus buying a dip. So if you want to sell and buy the 4K, that doesn't make any sense, in my opinion. You know why it doesn't make any sense? Because once we get to 4K, that's not, you know, that most likely that's not the bottom. Okay, we can go lower than that. So in a bear market, you don't want to buy dips and continue to buy dips. I know that you hear that strategy. You probably hear that strategy from a lot of YouTubers. You probably hear that strategy from a lot of YouTubers. They tell you to buy the dips, but most of these YouTubers are not full-time investors. They don't do this for a living. Okay, so you can't really listen to those guys. All these guys do is just make videos and say things is going to the moon. That's it. That's all they do. Okay. So if your favorite YouTuber doesn't know how to make money in this current market, then you shouldn't listen to that guy when it comes to making money. Blake, like I said before, I can't give you financial advice, but I can tell you what I'm doing. I can tell you what my students are doing. We are playing these swings right here. Okay. So let's say that you want to hodl. Let's say that you want to buy and hold. You can still buy and hold and play swings at the same time. Okay, so you don't have to be tied down. You can still play these swings in the market, and that, to me, that's the best way to play this market, period. Buying dips in this current market is suicide. Okay, complete suicide. This market is in a bear market, and this bear market could be one of the worst bear markets BTC ever, ever saw before. So let me see if I see anything. Let me see if I see anything in let me see. I see any questions. DB says, shorted Zen class, I'm able to get the course. So DB, you want to get the course today? That's what you're trying to say? Let me know. So DB said, how can I get the course for 50 cents? I mean 50%. DB, give me a DB, give me, okay, yeah. So DB, give me 5 minutes, DB, and I will give you that 50% discount, okay, DB? All right, so I'm gonna see some questions real quick. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to you, Crypto Inspo. You said XRP has so much support. Come on, BTC crash. So yes, guys, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money from this move right here. You know why? Because they're going to say there's no way Bitcoin could go down for 6 days straight or 7 days straight. Okay, so I know a lot of people probably bought Bitcoin right here, okay, because is at 7,000, and they're gonna say there's no way Bitcoin, because we had one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles. Okay, we had 7 red candles. So we was at 7,000. So I know someone said there's no way Bitcoin could go down 8 days in a row. So they probably bought this, and they're going to most likely get stopped out, because it looks like Bitcoin is going down some more. So guys, you know, you have to learn how to read the charts. Okay, please learn how to read the charts. Desert said, could I also get the 50% off? Yeah, no problem. I'll give you that, the 50% off. So shout out to you guys. If you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. Me and my students are making money, so just let me know. You know, it's up to you. So DB and Desert want to get the 50% off. If you don't know what they're talking about this course. During my live stream, I give people 50% off. So let me give you that. Okay, so basically, if you are new to the channel and you don't understand why they want to get this course, is because this course will show you how to make this money in this current market. Okay, this course. So shout out to you guys. I just copy and paste. The link for DB and Desert. So shout out to you guys. Okay, so yes, so if you don't have this course, like I said, it will show you how to make this money in this current market. It's the best course on a crypto market, period, hands down. It will show you how to make money in a bear and a bull market. It's the best of both worlds. It's recession proof. So most people right now are complaining that Bitcoin is going down, but me and my students are not complaining, because we're taking advantage of these swings. Okay, you can look at my testimonials. My students are making money. Okay, it's just what it is. Just what it is. Okay, shout out to Abracin. I don't know where Abracin is at. If you're watching this video, let me know how that short went, because last time he told me he was up 9,000. Okay, but I'm quite sure that he's up way more than that. But if you want to learn how I took this short right here, and I made money from this short. If you want to learn how under that, basically, this course will show you step by step, and also it show you how to make money if the market goes up too. So it's up to you at the end of the day. I copy and paste the link. Now this market looks like it's going to continue to go down, and like I said before, that 68 level and that 67 level looks like it's going to get touched. So you just have to wait. Take it day by day, guys. If you are new to this crypto world, do not listen to people that tell you that, you know, buying dips is the best thing to do. Dom said, Desert, you won't regret it. Shout out to you, Dom. Let me see if I see any questions here, though. Shout out to everybody that's here. So you said Crypto Inspo said XRP has some type of support. So Crypto Inspo, are you in any trades right now? Crypto, are you in Crypto Inspo? Are you in any trades right now? So let's go to the 4-hour and let's look at. Yeah, right now, guys, it's for the altcoins right now. It's probably going to be bloody. The altcoins, all of them look like they about to hit some type of low. Okay, so XRP looks like it's going to hit this low right here, and when it hits that low, guys, a lot of sellers probably going to come in. Okay, a lot of sellers probably going to come in. But yes, it does. XRP does look like it's trying to break down. Let's look at Ethereum. If you are new to my channel, let me know. If you have any questions. If you have any questions, anybody if have any questions, let me know. So Ethereum, same thing. Broke down, consolidate, broke down. All these coins are this weak right now, guys. This is why me personally, I don't buy anything in the bear market, because I understand that this stuff can go down a lot. TRX hit this resistance and it just went straight down. Okay. And a lot of people made money. A lot of my students made money from this because they know that TRX always do some pump and dump. So next, for you guys that hold TRX, next time they come up with some news, please don't get excited, okay? Please don't get excited. Please. And not just TRX, any coin or any news period from the crypto world, don't get excited, okay? Let the other people in the crypto world get excited. Let us be professionals over here, okay? This is how we're going to be 10 steps ahead of everybody. So let me see if I see any questions. Randy said that I get excited when I see these quality setups. I just learned about the course. So shout out to Randy. You said your vacation is nearly over. Shout out to you, Dom. Crypto Inspo said XRP must follow. Yes. So Crypto Inspo said 27 is coming soon. Yes, XRP has the ability to go to 27 like Crypto Inspo said. Okay, so if XRP drops right now, it's probably going to be a heavy drop. I'm not saying that it's going to go straight to straight to 27 in one drop. I'm not saying it's going to be in one drop, but once it break these lows, most likely a lot of sellers going to come, and that 27 level is going to be tough. I mean, definitely going to be in play. Okay, you showing XRP right now? Yes. Okay. So shout out to you, Crypto Inspo, shorting XRP. Yes, XRP is definitely weak. You know, let's keep it real. XRP is definitely weak, and it's definitely looks like it's trying to roll over. Okay. Let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here. I'm reading these questions now. Hey, what's going on, buddy? And DB, and who else? It was DB and I think I forgot who else. DB in Desert. Yes, DB in Desert. When you get the course, let me know. DB in Desert. When you get the course, let me know, because I created a new Discord room. So let me know when you get the course. And I created a course. I mean, I created a Discord only for the people that got the course. So let me know when you get the course. I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. Let me see if I see anything. Crypto Inspo said I'll buy and hold when XRP goes to 1 cent. Oh man, that's funny. You funny. What's going on, Expose? I'm reading these questions, guys. So shout out to DB. DB said he got the course. Okay, he's talking about this course right here. So shout out to him because right now is at, you know, at a 50% discount on the live. So when I come off live, it's going to, you know, go back to 210. Let me give him that cha-ching button. So shout out to DB. He got that course, and I tell everybody, DB, once you study and once you understand how the market works, understand how the chart works, you can make this money. Okay, so shout out to you. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Let me give you a hand clap. Yeah, I know, yeah. I told you the daily charts, Dom. The daily charts are much much more accurate when it comes to the 1, 2, 3s. But the 4 hours is pretty good too. But the daily charts is always more accurate than these other charts. The only thing with the daily chart is this: it doesn't give you a lot of opportunities like the 4 hour does. Let me see. Carlex said, how much do you think BTC will hit by the end of this year? Carlex, you must be new to my channel, right? Are you new to the channel? Let me know. But if you're you're asking how far, where will BTC be at by the end of this year? Basically, I don't know. No one knows. I when it comes to that, I try not to predict the future like that. Okay. I'm a guy that basically focus in the now, because if I think too far ahead, I can mess up myself. So I like to stay in the now. Right now, BTC is going down. You know, by the end of this year, I don't know what BTC is going to do. Most likely, it will continue to go down. That's all I know right now, because we are in a downtrend. We are in a bear market. And usually bear markets last for years. So what number BTC is going to be at by the end of this year, I don't know. All I know is I know how to make money whether the market goes up or down. And I think that's the most important thing. You know, don't get too crazy, with the predictions and where BTC is going to go. Learn how to make money. Because I think most people on this live chat is here or came into the crypto space because they wanted to make more money. It's just what it is. Let's be honest, guys. So for you guys that's in the crypto space, I think that should be your main focus. You said, can I look at Litecoin? Yeah, so Litecoin, like I said, guys, Litecoin was, hitting this resistance line fairly in this little, I guess you could call it some mini triangle. It was like this for the most part. We had that trend line right here, broke out. So yeah, Litecoin basically, guys, Litecoin is at $72, and it looks like it's trying to break this low right here and go lower. Okay, so Litecoin is definitely looks like it's trying to head lower. Someone asked me, where's the trolls? Yeah, that's why I told all my trolls, if you're going to come on a live stream when the market goes up, please come on my live stream when the market goes down. Okay, most of the trolls don't understand what's going on anyway, because the trolls don't understand that I'm not against them. You know, I'm not against no bulls. I'm not against nobody. We are on the same team. We are playing the same market. The only reason why I'm making money on the downside is because the market is going down. I don't control the market. So I'm not the one that's bringing down the market. Shout out to Rufus. Shout out to you. You said, sup, Ben, what's going on? Loving to check in the Discord room. Shout out to you. Yeah, Singh, Guyan Singh said hodl. Okay, if you want to hodl, that's up to you. Queen, what's Monday, Queen Racist? What's going on, Queens? You said waiting for Monday. What's Monday? Is that what the ETC? You said BTC dropped since I've been streaming $100. I see you. What's going on, Edema? You said you're not in Discord. Yeah. So Edema, if you're not in Discord, email me. And anybody that has the course that's on this live stream right now, if you have the course, email me with proof that you got the course, so I can send you the Discord link. Okay. And shout out to DB. Thanks a lot again for getting the course. I'm reading these questions, so give me a second. So, can you please look at EOS? Can you please look at EOS? I'll get to it. Give me a second. You're new to my channel. Okay, yes. So Queen's Racist said the video from Gold 2020 said a spike. So this is the second time I'm hearing about Gold 2020. I don't know who's Gold 2020. Okay, but whoever's a Gold 2020, that guy or that girl, I don't know who it is. Most likely doesn't know what they're talking about, because you can't predict what month a spike is going to happen. Okay. And last time I saw, Bitcoin was selling off like crazy. Yeah, so EOS is going down too. Okay. EOS is going down too. We had this nice little trend line with EOS. Nice little trend line right here. As soon as it hit the trend line, boom, sold off. And it's just going down. Most likely it will hit this low right here. Okay, most likely it's going down to this low, which is like $3.60 something cents. Shout out to Dom. He said he has to go. Desert, I haven't seen your comment yet. I don't know if I got to it yet, but did you get the course yet, Desert? I'm sorry, I didn't see no question yet. I mean, I didn't see you comment yet. But let me know if you got the course. I'm reading these questions. So John Ebank said I'm too wrecked and depressed even to look at the charts. So John Ebanks, I understand I understand that you're depressed right now, John Ebanks, but don't let your depression control you. Okay, you can actually, instead of be depressed, take some time, think about this, but you can actually make money right now the same way me and my students are making money playing these swings. Okay, this market, this is why most people don't, this is why a lot of people can't do this full time. This is why a lot of people can't become professionals and do this full time, because they don't understand how the market works. They only think that the market goes up, and they don't understand that you can make money both ways. Okay, this current market right now, we are in a downtrend. We are in a bear market. The best way to play a bear market is play the swings. Okay? Imagine how much money you could have made if you play these swings. Now, some of my subscribers, sometimes they play the swings when prices go up. But I like to play the swings when it goes down, because overall the trend is down. Imagine how much money you could have made. Instead of waiting, instead of being depressed, instead of, hoping that the market is going to 50K. Hope doesn't put money in your pocket. You have to be active. You have to understand what's going on. So just please learn how the market works. I can't even say your name, but you said Jay Gruel said Monday BTC will recover. I don't know if you're asking me that. Can we short BTC now at the current price? First of all, do you have this course? If you have this course right here, if you don't have this course right here, get this course. It would show you everything step by step. Okay. And right now, I like I said, on live, it's a 50% off. Okay. So when I get off of live, it's going right back to 210. That's your best bet, because me trying to explain everything piece by piece is going to take too long to explain everything. So shorting Bitcoin right now, it shouldn't be, in my opinion, nobody should be shorting Bitcoin right now. That's why you have to learn how the market works, learn how to understand how to wait for quality setups. Okay. Let me see. I'll read these questions, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. So Carlos said, I bought EOS at $8 because I thought it would go to $9-10. Would you suggest me what would you suggest me to do in this situation? Your best bet is get this course right here. Okay. Your best bet is to get this course. This course is very affordable. I should be charging $400 for this course, but I'm trying to give people a chance to get the course. It's 50% off right now. I know most of you guys could afford $110 because you spend that in one day when you go on a date and then you go on a dinner, okay, or you buy some Jordans or something. So I just copy that link, Carlos. If you don't have it, I can't give nobody financial advice during this live stream. Okay, you bought EOS at $8. Let's look at EOS one more time. So if you bought EOS at $8, I don't know when you bought EOS. Was it this year? Was it last year? Let me see. It had to have been this year, 2018. So you probably bought it around. No, it could have been last year too, right? So it could have been last year. Yeah, you could have. Most likely, you probably bought it last year when we had that final push. And you just new to the game. So at the end of the day, you are new to the game. So you have to understand that sometimes this is how it goes. But the way EOS is looking, most likely we will go down to this low right here, which is $3 and let me see, $3.80 something cents, I believe. That's how EOS is looking right now. Okay, it looks like it's going to $3.80 something cents, and you know, and that's not a guarantee. That's the bottom. You said this year recently, yeah. So if you bought it this year, you probably bought it around here when it popped up like this, and it ran up. So if you see if you bought it this year, then if you bought it this year, you should have known. That's why it's best to get this course. You should have known that we are in the bear market, and any time in the bear market, you don't want to. If you're buying something, take your profits. You know, take your profits. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. But during the bear market, you know, things don't really run like that. They run for a little bit and they reverse. Unfortunately, crypto market everything is tied to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going down, everything else is going down too. Let me see if I see any questions. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Yes, so DB, I don't know what happened to Desert. I don't know what happened to Desert, but you probably left. If you're listening right now, Desert, if you got the course, send me an email for the Discord link. DB, yes. You said you sent me an email, so thanks a lot. I will get to you when I get off this live stream. And the Discord is only for the people that bought the course. So you have to send me proof that you bought the course if you want to get into the Discord. Let me see if I see anything. Yes. So DB said, wow, Ben, there's a lot of info in this course. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. So that's why I told you I can sell this course way more than 110. You guys is getting a steal, but some of you guys just don't understand that. Expo said this is not an investor market unless you have it like that. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, guys, so this is what's going on with this market. Basically, we saw this happen plenty of times. If you look at the CME, I talked about this last time. You look at the CME, the volume, this down movement right here was the most volume that the CME BTC futures saw ever. So someone behind the scenes knew that Bitcoin was going to go down, so they shorted Bitcoin, and that's why you see this market going down like this. Look at the volume on the CME Bitcoin futures. Okay, this is the highest ever been ever since the CME BTC futures came out. So guys don't understand that this market is rigged. It's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that you just don't know about. This is why you have to play it safe, play it defense. You got the CNBC guys telling you when I played this video on my last live stream. This guy told you to buy on Friday. He told you that this could be a good buy right here. Okay, and what happened Saturday? We just dumped more. So that's why you can't listen to the news. The news will basically do the opposite of what you want to do. Of what they want you to do. So they want you to buy, and they're going to sell. So I'm trying to open your guys' eyes up. Some of you guys don't want to wake up. Y'all just want to sleep, which is okay. Which is okay. Like I told you guys, when I first started the stream, I told you guys, if you don't want to listen, you're going to watch me and my subscribers make this money. Okay? Um, Carla said, Ben, thank you for the time to your time and opinion about ERS. I really appreciate it. You got a new subscriber. Thanks a lot, Carlux. I appreciate it, man. What's going on, Ken? Ken said you haven't pulled the trigger yet. What trigger? So, you know, right now, guys, we just in a bear market. You have to be patient. No one knows the bottom. No one knows no spike. I don't know this YouTuber that everybody's talking about. Gold something. He's talking about a spike in August. Those type of YouTubers you have to be careful with, because these guys claim they know, you know, a lot, and they don't. Okay, no one knows what Bitcoin is going to do in August. This is why I take things day by day, and I don't try to predict what's going on. What's going on, Tim? Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. This market pretty much is the only market that I know that people want to come in and be instant millionaires, okay? Without knowing how things work. I don't know any industry. Name any industry you can actually go in, make millions of dollars without knowing how things work. Name one industry. But all of a sudden, people come in this industry, read one white paper, right? Or listen to the news, and all of a sudden, these guys think they going to become millionaires without knowing how things work. It doesn't work like that, guys. This market, this current market that you're seeing right now, is a different market back in the days. So the people that got into Bitcoin early, those are people that basically benefit from this whole market. But for the most part, this market changed, and most likely it's not going to be the same. So you're going to have to learn how the things work. It's not going to be, you know, we going to the moon and things is, you know. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. Where's CoinMarketCap at? Hold on, let me see if I can get up CoinMarketCap. Hold on for a second. Let me bring up CoinMarketCap. Okay, so CoinMarketCap, you know, Bitcoin down 6%, 3%. Look at these numbers. You know, last year when we went down or when we went up, it was like double digits. Okay, this year things are much slower, and most likely this is how the market is going to be, much slower. It's going to be a different market, guys. It's not going to be a market where things are just going to be just going to the moon, just because some news came out. The government basically caught on. The government caught on. They know that a lot of people are making too much money, especially with these ICOs. That's why they cracked down on the ICOs first. They cracked down on ICOs first, and now they're going to crack down on the whole crypto market. Let me see if I see any questions. John E. Banks said, I was told there was only be a Lambo and Moon. I know, I hear you, man. Let me if you have any questions, let me know. Tim said, what are you talking about, Ben? Tron going to $15 tomorrow. I saw that in the video. Yeah, I know, right? That's how, you know, it's crazy, man. Tron is going to $15, guys, and 48 cents by tomorrow. And you know, and right now Tron is at basically 0.28. Eventually people will catch on. Not right now, though. Not right now. The market is not low enough. So eventually, when the market keeps going down, people will catch on, and a lot of YouTubers are they're going to get a lot of people going to unsubscribe, and they're going to get tired of people claiming that things are going to the moon. This market has to reset itself before we can turn bullish again. Richard said, I'm back. It's past payday. I'm ready now. What Rainin do to teach that helps us become winners? What's going on, man? How you doing, Richard? I'm about to get off this live stream soon, though. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions before I get off, let me know. Yeah, no way common sense is very uncommon these days. I know, right? Shout out to Mr. Kush, MK Kush. And shout out to you guys, you know, Big Connect, and not only Big Connect, but these other lending platforms. Automatically, when I saw that, I was like, nah, this is, you know, nah, that's definitely a scam. You know, and at the time, it was very hard to say anything because the market was going up. So, you know, this is what the market would do to you. Okay, this is why a lot of people this is why a lot of people can't make it in the market, and they get fooled and they lose a lot of money. Is because in a market, I don't care what market it is, it don't have to be the crypto market, you can actually make money by doing a stupid mistake. Okay, so you can actually make money by doing something stupid in a market. Okay, and what that can do to you is basically it would create bad habits and make you think that whatever you just did, it would make you think that that's the right thing to do. Okay, and eventually it would catch up to you, and you realize, man, I can't do that, because if I continue to do that, I'm going to lose money. So Big Connect and all these lending platforms, you know, went down the drain. Let me see what's going on. I'm reading these comments. What's going on, 9/11? Good to see you here. Um, 45. What's going on? Good to see you here, 45. I'm reading these comments. Exposed to, I remember when you said TRX is going to these levels. I hear you, man. I set up with a VPN. Richard, you did? So Richard, you set up a VPN with BitMEX. So Richard, how you know, with the VPN, how does that work? Like, how can you withdraw money if you're using a VPN? Oh, so you send Bitcoin to the wallet? Okay. Shout out to Richard. He said he's using a VPN. He's using BitMEX. I use Ledger. Okay, in a paper wallet. Okay, I hear you. You said how these moon kids are taking the price action. I don't know, man. You know, because the same people that came on my live stream maybe a week ago or something like that, because Bitcoin went to 8K. I don't know where those guys are at. I told them to come on my live stream when Bitcoin goes down. Just don't come on my live stream when it goes up. Okay, so those guys don't understand what's going on anyway, because number one, I'm not against the bulls. Okay, I'm just here to make money, just like you. So I'm about to get off this live stream. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I might do a stream tomorrow. I don't know yet. So if you don't have the course, check it out before I get off the live stream. And anybody that's just tuning in, if you have the course, email me proof that you got the course so I can send you the Discord link. Okay, I just created a channel yesterday. Oh, so Richard, so you said you need the link to the course. Okay, I didn't know that, Richard. My fault. I didn't know you said you need the link to the course. I'm sorry. So shout out to Richard. He said he wants to get the course. Richard, I just gave you the link. Richard, did you get the link? Okay, so Richard is basically talking about this course. If you don't have this course, it's the best course on a market, period, hands down. If you want to learn how I made this money from shorting this market right here, I told my subscribers, guys, I'm short right here. Okay. On my live stream, I told them that, and I made money. So if you want to learn how I did that, definitely get that course. It will show you step by step how everything works. So let me see if I see any questions. And also, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, guys. What exchange do you use? Yeah, so you can use BitMEX, or you can use Jet. I just signed up for. Okay, yeah, you could use Richard. You could use any exchange. It doesn't matter the exchange that you use. If you use BitMEX, that's cool. It doesn't matter. I use JAFAX, but at the same time, if you use BitMEX, it's cool. Ken said I have JAFAX and Kraken, so shout out to him. So John E. Banks, are you new to my channel, John E. Banks? Because John E. Banks said he bought Tron at 10 cents and now 5x down in the portfolio. John, if you are new to my channel, I urge you to look at the market differently, because it's the market doesn't go straight up. Okay, the market doesn't go straight up. It has cycles. So unfortunately, we are in a bear cycle right now, and most YouTubers don't want to tell you that because, number one, they don't know, and number two, if they do know, they don't want to tell you because they know that people will unsubscribe. Okay? Or if they do tell you that we're in a bear market, they're going to tell you, don't worry, guys, buy the dips. So you have to learn, E-Banks, you have to learn how to play these swings, E-Banks. Okay, you have to learn how to play these swings. During this market, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. Craig said, I'm hoping for another 12 months of a bear market so I could buy more crypto. Let me see if I see any questions. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, because I'm about to get off this live stream. And Richard, when you get this course, let me know. As soon as you get the course, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. If you have any questions, if you are new to the channel, let me know if you have any questions. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I could get to your question real quick. BTC is not looking good right now. We are approaching some key levels, which is 60. Well, this trend line right here most likely is going to break it a little bit. So that 68 level, 67 level is definitely a key level. Most likely buyers will come in. But I'm telling you right now, guys, I'm hoping you guys just don't buy that blindly. Okay, don't, please. Don't try to buy that level blindly. Because most YouTubers on YouTube, if buyers come in at this level, automatically they're going to say, guys, the bull market is here. We're going to the moon. Buyers came in at the 68 level, guys. We're going to back to 20K. This is how they play games with you. Every time they see a green bar, this is how they play games with you. They say, guys, we're going to the moon. Okay? But eventually that game is going to run out, because they can't keep on saying we're going to the moon once this thing break new lows. They can't keep saying that. So, let me see if I see any questions. And Richard, let me know when you get the course. So Ali said, I bought the course. Shout out to you, Ali, man. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Okay, Ali got the course. This course right here. And thanks a lot, Ali. I appreciate it, man. And I tell everybody that I get the course, if you study and follow things step by step, you can actually make money, If you are dedicated, follow things step by step, there's money to be made. So shout out to you, Ali. Thanks a lot. Let me give you a round of applause. So, Ali, email me, Ali. Here's my email address. Email me, because I created a Discord room only for my students. So let me see. I'm gonna give you my email address right now. So Ali, email me right now so I can give you the Discord link. Let me know that it's you though, Ali. Let me know it's you. And for you guys that have the course and you want the Discord room, send me proof that you bought the course. So Richard said, thanks for purchasing. So Richard, did you get it now? I don't understand what you mean. So you got it, Richard? My payment has been sent. Okay. I didn't read that part. So congrats, Richard and Ali. Richard and Ali got this course. And if you're new to the channel, the reason why they got this course is because me and my students are making money. You can go to the testimonials and you see my students are making money, okay? So, and we are making money in this current market. The way we were making money in this current market, we playing in swings. Okay, if you want to learn how I made money off this short right here, all the way down, you know, definitely get that course. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Richard. Okay, like I tell everybody that get the course, if you study and if you're serious, there's money to be made. Definitely money to be made right now. You know, you don't have to wait 12 years or 10 years or 3 years whenever the market turn bullish. So shout out to you, Richard. Hey, what's going on, Fisherman? Yeah, thanks a lot, Richard. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So anybody else got any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know before I get out of here. TG said, yo, Ben, I shorted BTC this morning. Made money. Thanks for your course. Shout out to TJ. TJ is one of my students. He said, thanks for the course. He made his money today. I'm glad to see you guys making money because you understand. A lot of people are not making money at all. They're tired of this market. They're tired of this roller coaster. And it's good to see you guys making this money. That's good, man. Yeah, Fisherman. Yeah, I'm about to get off soon. But shout out to you. Thanks a lot for coming through. How do I get the videos? Richard, email me. Do you know anything about WinRAR, Richard? Do you know anything about WinRAR? First of all, Richard, number one, when you get the course, they send you an email, okay? So you should have got the course via email. Did you get the course to your email yet? Okay, so Richard, if you don't know which WinRAR, email me and I will send you the link and I will send you a video explaining everything. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. Trust me. So send me an email, telling me that you don't know how to open it up, and I will give it back to you. Let me see. So Ken said, Ben, I want to say thank you. Always keeping us motivated, man. No problem, Ken. Leslie Savage said you're waiting for 68. Shout out to you, Leslie Savage. Buddy said download from email. Richard, yes. So Richard, as soon as you get the email, if you don't see it in your email, most likely it's in your spam folder. And then once you get it out your spam folder, you click, you click on the link and download the course from there. But email me if you have problems opening the course. Let me know. It's very easy. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Thanks a lot for coming through. Probably gives you guys maybe 2 to 3 more minutes. If you have any questions, let me know before I get out of here. But thanks a lot for you guys coming through. Let me see if I missed any questions. Tim, did you get the Discord room, Tim? So anybody that's on this live stream right now, if you have the course, email me, show me proof that you got the course, okay? Show me proof that you bought the course, and I will send you a link to the Discord room. So I'm reading these questions. Would it work on a Mac? Yes. Yes, it could work on a Mac. Yes. It's self-file. Yes. So that's it, Richard. That's the link. It will work on a Mac. I will send you instructions. Richard, email me and ask me, how to open up the course, and I will send you everything. Okay. It's very easy. It's very easy. You said you guessed the ETFs, the rejection of the ETFs dashed a lot of hopes. Yeah, man. What's in my sign-in? Yeah, just email me. Okay, yeah, email me as soon as I get off. Nah, it's okay, Richard. It's okay. As soon as I get off this live stream, I will hit you up. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot, guys, for chilling out with me tonight. Just be careful in this market. Don't listen to these YouTubers that are telling you to buy every single dip. If this market is going to turn bullish, it will show you, okay? It will show you. So let the market show you if it wants to turn bullish. Let the market show you before you continue to buy these dips. Let the market show you that it wants to turn bullish. To this day, the market didn't show us anything. So I'm out of here, guys. Thanks a lot, though, man. Thanks a lot, guys. Randy, DB, Keith, Richard, Ali, thanks a lot, guys, for the getting the course. Shout out to you guys for the support. Who else? Randy, everybody else that's on the live stream. Glenn, Randy, Leslie Savage, Buddy, everybody, guys. I can't get to everybody. Ken, 45, MK, Kush, Crypto Inspo, Tim, everybody that's here. Shout out to you guys. Make sure you guys be safe. And make sure you guys look for these high quality setups. And make sure that you basically just wait, okay? But overall, guys, talk to you guys later. And make sure you have a great weekend. And that's it, guys. Make sure you study the market. And that's it. Talk to you guys later.